I guess it's not a bad way to spend $3,500. There's a reason why the cars bring so much money that has the good parts on them, because the parts ain't cheap. If a car was born with them, that's even better, but some of us just do the best we can. Got about $3,200 in the rear end here. It's with the new stainless steel brake lines, the new parking brake cables, wheel cylinders, the fluid hose. I got my subframe connectors in, so when we get 440 in it, stiffen it up just a little bit. I'm gonna put some ladder bars, but I can't do it on this 2-post lift with this suspension at full drop. I'll do it with the suspension loaded on my 4-post lift. The thrush mufflers will be coming off whenever I do that. That's the low performance thrust mufflers. I'm going to be putting side pipes on it whenever I put the 440 and tunnel ram on it, in it, whatever you want to call it. I think these numbers right here equate for it to be in a 69B body. .354 gear should be good on the road. We've got the big universals and everything in the good drive shaft. The pinion snubber that somebody had made back in the day. Whenever I put that 440, I'm going to take the K-member out, clean it all up, do the disc brake conversion. Y'all take care. I appreciate you watching.